Hey guys, it's Jansen here, back with a Amazon FBA tutorial video. This week I'm going to be teaching you how to use a tool called Magnet with Helium 10 to be able to think of different ways to differentiate your product, or just to help you with your product research, introducing you to brand new products that you might never have even come across before. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. We're going to jump into the screen. Now, in order to use this product research technique, what you're going to need to do is have like a seed idea. So what I mean by that is to start off with an actual product idea for us to plug into Helium 10's Magnet tool. So the idea that I'm going to just go with now, just to give you an example, is water bottle. So you log into Helium 10, click into Magnet, and then you just type in your product. And what this is going to do now is effectively search all of Amazon for any like search string or phrase to do with water bottle that customers have typed into Amazon before. So you type that into your section of Magnet, and then what I would always remember to do is where it says match type, I'd click here and press organic. If you don't do that, you'll end up getting loads of results to do with sponsored listings, and typically the results that you'll get will be nothing to do with a water bottle. So make sure you tick that and then press apply. And what it will then do is then lower the amount of keywords. So before, I think we just had about 8,000 there, and we've now got 1,200. Now the next thing to do, and this is one of my absolute value bombs, is to click here, search volume. We only want to be shown keywords that customers are using or searching with in the high volumes. So here you can see, now that we've just done that, we can see that on a monthly basis, there is 94,000 searches for water bottle. Well, that was our seed keyword, the main one that we put in, so we're not interested in that. But if we now scroll down, you can start to see what customers are also searching for on Amazon that is linked to our water bottle seed word. So here it says water bottle 1 litre. We've got 27,000 searches for that a month. So what does that tell us? Well, it tells us that the most commonly searched for size of a water bottle is 1 litre. So now we can probably think, if we were wanting to sell water bottles, we can think, okay, well that's clearly popular, so let's consider offering a 1 litre water bottle. Then if we're looking for other things to be able to differentiate or other features of our product to have, what about this one? Water bottle with straw. So we can see 24,000 people a month, there's 24,000 searchers are searching for water bottle with straw. And that is something that we might not have come across or known about if we were just to be using Amazon here. So if we were to go onto Amazon now and type in water bottle, and you were just to have a quick look through, you've got no way of telling here that customers are most frequently searching for water bottles that come with straws. So you can see just how valuable this Magnet tool really is at giving you an insight, not just into the types of products that customers are searching for, but also what kind of specifications and customizations and particular features that customers want. So let's keep going. So we've got 2 litre and gallon water bottles. So those are also popular, but not as popular as the 1 litre. So we've got 1 litre water bottle again, metal water bottle. So that's obviously more popular than plastic. I don't know if people would search for plastic, but that's something to bear in mind. Now this one's interesting. This is something that I hadn't heard of before searching for this. Bike bottle cage with bottle. So if we just click this one here, it should load it up into Amazon. And what it's introduced me to now as a result of doing this method is like something that you could possibly think about including or bundling with your product in order to differentiate. And it looks like it's something that you attach to your bike so that you can slot your bottle into it. So let's have a look. Okay, so we've got somebody here selling bottle cages on their own. Let's just have a look at the actual sales themselves. Bottle cage there is selling 22 units a day. They're doing £4,000 worth of revenue a month. So they're probably making, I would estimate they're making between, say, £800 and £1,000 profit per month. And that's just off a bottle cage. So you can see here again, the Helium 10 Magnet tool has just introduced me to a new product that I hadn't actually heard of before. So that's sort of an avenue that I could explore further if I thought about possibly selling that product on its own as a main product to have, or maybe even including that as a bundle item if I were to go ahead and sell a water bottle. Then let's have a look further at what else we've got. So we've got Love Island water bottle here, and I think that is where you've got like a clear plastic bottle. I don't actually watch Love Island, so I don't know, this is just me guessing. But you've got a clear plastic bottle, maybe with a name on it or something. So it's probably a bit too specific there. But again, you know, maybe if you had easy access to be able to personalize something, a product or whatever reason, or you could do it dirt cheap, or think of a way to be able to personalize a bottle in low quantities, then that again is kind of giving you an additional way to be able to differentiate. So as we continue to scroll through the list here, you can see other search terms that people are using: drink bottle for adults, crystal water bottle, I'm not sure what that is, water bottle with straw, clear water bottle. These are all actual search terms that customers, that real people are using. So I hope you can see the real value here of doing this exercise when you're looking for different products or for ways to differentiate, because it's all backed up by data, right? This is actual things that people are searching for. So if you are to think of a product, or you've got a product idea and you run this tool, you run Magnet, and you can see that people are searching for water bottle with straw, and I don't know, there's 1,500 people doing that every month, then you know that there is going to be some form of demand for that. Whereas if you just kind of just guess and you say, do you know what, I'm going to sell a water bottle and I'm going to include, I don't know, a small bag for whatever reason. Well, we haven't seen that once in here, have we? That people are searching for water bottle with small bag. So therefore that might give you a clue that there's not actually really demand for it. So if we were to come out with that product, it might not actually make a difference in terms of giving us that edge over our competitors when we're trying to differentiate. So guys, when you're doing your product research and you think you found of a way to differentiate, or you just want a bit of help in thinking of ways to differentiate, make sure you use this Magnet tool, because it is all backed up by actual data. You can go onto it, plug in your seed keyword and see what actual people out there in the UK are looking for, and that will give you a real idea of how you can differentiate and stand out from the crowd. So guys, make sure you do that to blow the competition out the water. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please remember to subscribe, and I will see you next time for another Amazon FBA tutorial video.